Realtors, if you're not tapping into AI and utilizing a guaranteed and proven system that generates and converts quality leads into deals predictively and consistently month after month, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. We all know that most so-called lead generation offers never work, and that's because they weren't developed by real estate agents and they don't have a clue of what it takes to get the deals closed. They just take our money, generate random leads, offer no support or system, and then we end up having absolutely nothing to show for it. My name is Norris, and I'm a licensed real estate broker, and for over 30 years I've been helping agents just like you increase their annual incomes by $500,000 or more by implementing my RDS Growth System. I developed this system so that agents would never again have to worry about where their next deal would be coming from or how to get it closed. I've put together a free training on my website to show you exactly how to set this system up and crush it in 2025 and beyond. Click the link below and check out this free training. You'll be glad you did.